Key Security Systems presents a tech support video. How to change the battery in a PowerMaster large door contact. The MCT-302E PG2. You will need one CR123A battery per device and a small flathead and Phillips screwdriver. First, release the small plastic cover by levering it up with a small screwdriver. You can then see the retaining screw. Use the Phillips screwdriver to loosen the retaining screw and the lid will come off hinging from the top. Be careful as to not lose the screw. After removing the cover from the sensor, you may receive a tamper alert from your alarm. You can unplug the telephone lead before you start. This will stop the system from calling anybody. Once you have completed the battery change, wait 5 minutes before plugging the telephone lead back in to ensure it has finished the calling cycle. Alternatively, if you do receive a phone call from the system, answer the call and press the number 2 on your phone's keypad to stop it calling the next number. Simply pull the old battery out from the clips. Then you can insert a new battery, positioning the positive and negative ends of the battery properly during replacement. The front cover is then put back by first hooking the top and then hinging it down. Ensure that it is aligned correctly. Then tighten the retaining screw and pop the cover back on. Check the panel to make sure the amber trouble light has gone off. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecurity-systemsltd.com.